We see America in its skylines, the Empire State Building, the Willis Tower, the Gateway Arch monuments, to our ambition to touch the clouds. But the real heartbeat of this nation isn't in the sky. It's beneath our feet, humming with the silent electricity of the modern world. While millions of us drive on the asphalt skin of the country, a parallel world operates just below. This isn't a story of skyscrapers, but of depth scrapers. It's the story of the unseen architects, the visionaries, engineers, and miners, who carved out a subterranean empire that keeps our world alive. From secret government tunnels to nuclear-proof vaults, holding our digital souls. This is the history of America's invisible foundation. Our journey begins in New York City, a metropolis built on top of the most complex underground labyrinth on Earth. To walk through Manhattan is to walk on a hollow lid. Beneath the feet of Wall Street bankers lies a system so intricate, even official blueprints can't fully capture its reality. This is the legacy of the Sandhogs, the urban miners who have been digging out New York since 1872. The crown jewel of their work is City Water Tunnel Number 3. Started in 1970, it is still one of the largest construction projects in the Western Hemisphere. True testament to long-term vision. The architects here weren't designing for the next election. They were designing for the next century, carved through solid bedrock up to 800 feet below the street. The tunnel's circular design distributes the immense pressure of rock and water. Giant tunnel boring machines, mechanical worms. The length of football fields, chewed through granite while laying concrete walls. Without this hidden artery, New York City would die of thirst. It's a silent river, flowing through a cathedral of engineering that no tourist will ever see. From the city, we travel west deep into the limestone caves of Pennsylvania and the granite mountains of the Rockies. Here, the hidden infrastructure isn't moving water, it's moving data. In the digital age, the cloud is a misleading name. The internet isn't in the atmosphere, it's geological. Take Iron Mountain, for example. What was once a limestone mine is now one of the most secure data centers on the planet. The challenge here was unique. How do you protect heat-generating servers from every possible physical threat? The solution was to use the Earth itself. The architects leveraged the constant cool temperature of the caves to reduce energy costs. They used the 200-foot-thick limestone ceiling as a natural shield against electromagnetic pulses, solar flares, and even nuclear fallout. This represents a radical shift in architecture. Above ground, it's about light and beauty. Down here, it's about survival and redundancy. The hallways are plain, and the lighting is industrial. But the air filtration systems are works of art, capable of scrubbing chemical agents from the air. These are the vaults of our modern era, holding not gold bars, but the financial records, intellectual property, and digital identities of a nation. While Iron Mountain protects data, other tunnels protect political power. It started in 1909 to connect Senate buildings to the Capitol, and has since become a symbol of unseen efficiency. The engineering marvel here isn't size, but discretion. It's created rapid transit lines that are invisible from the surface but allow a senator to move from a hearing to a vote in seconds, shielded from the weather and the public eye. This network is an architecture of exclusivity, a physical manifestation of the inner circle. By floating the buildings on springs, The architects ensured the facility would ride out the shockwave like a ship on a stormy sea. This incredible fit decoupling, the structure from its foundation has since influenced modern earthquake-proof architecture in places like San Francisco and Tokyo. A bunker designed for war ended up teaching us how to survive natural disasters. So what's next for these hidden spaces? The new generation of unseen architects includes tech billionaires and futurists. Look at the Boring Company in Las Vegas. Their philosophy is to solve the two-dimensional problem of traffic by using the three-dimensional depth of the Earth. The big idea is an all-electric, autonomous transit system. Unlike the massive tunnels of the past, built for diesel fumes and human drivers, these new tunnels are smaller, sealed, and cleaner. They're designed for pods, not trains. This completely changes the physics of tunneling, making it exponentially faster and cheaper. The vision is a 3D lattice of movement, layers upon layers of tunnels that could make surface traffic a thing of the past. At the same time, other projects imagine a future where these unseen spaces are no longer dark and industrial, but lush and habitable. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the unseen, make sure to subscribe for more.